This is Marlon Antonio Pareño. I told you the next video will be Project Zero Blood. Okay, this video is Project Zero Blood. Project Zero Blood. Blood. A lot of countries around the world experiencing it now. So I have an idea of how to get rid of it or stop it, or make an advantage out of it. Okay, with advantage. So so my idea is just why not just build a giant fish pond. For scuba divers, etc. And plus fountains, recreational park, fountains, that's the fountains, statue with speed to others, my statue, build me one, huh? Marlon Antonio pa rin. My name on one big statue with speaks to others. Okay, that's how I like it. And ice rings, ice Fantasyland for children, or Fantasyland, fantasy recreational park, more like Aqua Walt Disney version. Okay, and ice, lot of ice. Park with ice skatings, etc. Most with ice rinks, etc. Public bathing facilities, public bathroom, and public fountains, yes, section. Plus gardens that irrigate by water, etc. Okay, hotels, swimming pools, etc. Okay, giant fish pond. So that's how to get rid of that. Make an advantage out of that. Okay, just build me a statue, and if you my name and the complete name and my surname, and this include my middle name is Macalinaw, Marlon Antonio M. Pareño. Middle name is Macalinaw. The M is Macalinaw. Marlon Antonio Macalinaw Pareño. And I'm from Tibet, Jakarta. Okay. Marlon Antonio Macalinaw Pareño statue. Okay. And if you want additional information regarding those flood project zero flood system, you can visit me here in Barangay LSS Block 3 Lot 21, General Mariano Alvarez, Cavite, Manila. Okay. Arrive in the airport, in case you're a foreigner. The airport, say fly taxi, go to General Mariano Alvarez Cavite, first to Alabang. If you commute, you can ride Alabang, then in Alabang you can ride Jimmy area, and then you can ask the driver to drop you in Councilor Infante's house, and ask Jose Macalino Pareño or Josie Pareño, and someone will get you know. Okay, this has been Mario Antonio Pareño from Clan Pareño and Macalino, same I guess that. In regards to all Macalino and Pareño around the world, wishing you all the best. Okay, yes, they said Project Zero Hunger, now the Project Zero Blood. The next video will be Project Human as the most dominant species in the entire universe. Okay, it might sound impossible, but through time, yes, anything is not that easy the first time, but not all. Okay, this has been Mario Antonio Pareño wishing happy Three Kings to all around the world. Yes, that is God. Project Zero Blood.